A for apple, A for ant, B for bat, B for ball, C for cat and C for cup, D for dog, D for dots, E for egg and E for elephant, F for frog, F for fish, G for goat and G for grass, H for hand, H for hat, I for ink and I for insect, J for juice, J for jar, K for king and K for kite, L for lamb, L for leaf, live. N for man and M for monkey, N for neck, N for nose, na. O for ocean, O for oar, P for plum, P for parrot, Q for queen and Q for quill, Q. R for rope, R for red. S for sun and S for sunflower, T for tap, T for tub, U for uncle, U for umbrella, V for violin, V for wallet, W for well and W for water, X for box, X for fox, Y for yacht and Y for yellow, U. Z for zoo, Z for zebra,
A is for alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear. C is for cat, cat. D is for dolphin, dolphin. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox. G is for giraffe, giraffe. H is for hippo, hippo. I is for iguana, iguana. J is for jaguar, jaguar. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion. M is for mongoose, monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal. O is for owl, owl. P is for penguin, penguin. Q is for bunka, R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for snake, snake. T a tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, tetra, X-ray tetra. Y is for yak, yak. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now we've sung our phonics song, learning our animals all day long. With practice and play, we'll learn so strong. Phonics helps us all get along.
A is for anchor, anchor. B is for balloon, balloon. C is for candle, candle. D is for dragon, dragon. E is for engine, engine. F is for farm, farm. G is for gorilla. H is for helicopter. I is for inchworm, inchworm. J is for jackets, jackets. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for leaf, leaf. M is for magnet, magnet. N is for nest, nest. O is for ostrich, ostrich. A is for pancake, pancake. Q is for quail, quail. R is for robot. S is for snail. T is for trumpet, trumpet. U is for urchin. V is for volcano. W is for wagon. X is for xylophone, xylophone. Y is for yarn,